Hello guys, thanks for clicking this video. The project is uA741 milliammeter to measure the microcurrent with this super simple op-amp. Here is my project over breadboard, and this is my meter. Is analog one. I use two 9-volt fresh battery as input voltage. I use the dual voltage minus 9 volt and plus 9 volt, and also we have ground over there. Very good. I made dummy load with this LED to test the project. As you can see, this LED now is eating 29.84 microamps, and this is my output over here. This project working from 1 microamp up to 30 microamp. It is adjustable with this pot over here. So when I'm turning this down, very good. The project finished with the PCB. As you can see, it is not very clean PCB, but it is working really well. This is two 9-volt battery over here, uA741, the pot, and as always I made one dummy load here to make 30 milliamps to 0 microamps. Here is the gauge. It is completely off when the alligator switch connected to the nowhere. As soon as I plug this cap to the dummy load, the 3-volt battery going to charge the cap, and the gauge going to make some changes. Very good. As you can see, the cap going to charge and slowly will back from 30 microamp to 0. You can do also like there. Is very simple. Is only one 2.4 volt battery, one cap and one pot to make very small amount of current to test micro amp and check exactly what's going on before connecting the dummy load to the uA741. Test with the multimeter to be sure that the load that we made is exactly on the correct way. I'm going to one more time test. You can see it's slowly going to discharge the cap and also the gauge going off. I will try with the LED and we'll finish the video. Let's find a nice LED over here. For the schematic, it's good enough to take a screenshot from the circuit that I showed with the video. Very good. I will test with this LED to check real load. Yeah, right. We have real load over here, and you can see we have maximized load with the PCB version of uA741 microamp measurement. Thanks for watching one more time. Don't forget for the dual supply connection for two 9-volt battery, and make them series to make positive, negative and ground. Goodbye.